Hi, I'm Kathleen McDermott, and I just attended the Planning for Profit with Kelly O'Neill, and I cannot say enough of how fabulous it was. I came in having a little bit less confidence than I would like. I had some total misunderstanding of where I needed to be and wanted to be. And today and yesterday both brought so many aha moments and realization of where I can be versus where I am afraid to be. Does that make sense? So now I have clarity and understanding of what really is possible for me. And I have the structure. Having this structure that breaks things down into details that are in chunks, that are fewer chunks, that make more sense, that really will keep me on track, that I can tend to be up here when I want to be grounded. So this strategy that Kelly offers, the Planning for Profit, really keeps me grounded now in an understanding of how I can move forward and be the success that I want to be with my program, the Yogalosophy Method, helping women be the best that they can be. Can't speak enough. Talk with Kelly.